How to cancel your eHarmony subscription.
Hello viewers! If you're looking to cancel your eHarmony subscription, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure you can successfully end your membership.
Why would you want to cancel?
Before diving into the steps, it's essential to know your reasons. eHarmony may offer solutions to your concerns. You might find the service not to your liking. Financial reasons could be a cause. You found your match. Congratulations! Knowing your reasons will help in case eHarmony's support tries to offer solutions or retention offers.
Canceling via website.
For those who prefer the desktop route, 1. Log into your eHarmony account. 2. Navigate to the Settings section. 3. Click on Billing. 4. Here, you should see an option for Cancel My Subscription. Click on it. 5. Follow the prompts. eHarmony might ask for feedback or reasons for canceling, but you can usually skip these or provide honest feedback.
Canceling via mobile app.
If you're on the go or prefer mobile, 1. Open the eHarmony app on your device. 2. Go to Settings or Account Settings. 3. Look for an option labeled Manage Subscription or something similar. 4. Tap on Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen instructions.
Double-checking.
Always double-check. Ensure that you received a confirmation email about the cancellation. Check your bank statements to make sure no further charges occur. Thank you for tuning in. Canceling your eHarmony subscription should now be a breeze. Remember to always double-check to avoid unexpected charges. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more useful tips.